Welcome viewers to part 2 of this video. Now if you haven't seen part 1, I suggest you do see it. Otherwise, you may find some discontinuity in my explanations. Now here's the summary of the various problems and fixes which I carried out. I'll be explaining each one of them. Well, the first thing which I did was to sort out the power supply. As you could see, the original transformer was a 909 center tap one, which produced about roughly 13 volts, which was inordinately high, and the IC got heated up. So I replaced this by a 7 volt transformer supported by a 6 volt regulator IC. Well, this audio IC was a major problem. I had to remove the IC. There appeared to be some dry solder joints. I thoroughly cleaned all the pins and resoldered the IC, and I reconstructed the tracks of the IC circuit. The volume, bass and treble controls were a major problem. All of them were jammed, so I carefully removed them. Now these controls are just not available. It's almost impossible to find, and the only way is, well, either substitute them or, if possible, like in good restoration, try to repair and reinstall them. And that's what exactly I did. And I opened the shell, and there you could see the circular potentiometer as well as the wiper, which was so dirty, full of grime. So I cleaned them and fitted them back, and they're working fine. Well, the speaker cone was quite damaged, and you just can't get PM speakers any longer. They sound so much better than the new ceramic types, and therefore I repaired the cone to the extent possible. Well, I had to replace the crystal marker because the original one had only one leg left. It was just dangling. It was broken, and that's the reason I replaced it. This board was very badly corroded. The masking paint seemed to be blistered. There were so many dry solder joints. Each and every joint had to be checked. All the tracks had to be checked for continuity, and that's how I could make it functional.
मुझे लगी रीत ऐसी तेरे चक्कर में, दुनिया की जरा भी लगे ना कोई फिक्र में। नादानी कही जैसी तू है वैसी रहना, जग घूमे थारे जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थारे जैसा।
Transport Ministers of State and UTs in New Delhi yesterday, Mr. Gadkari said they discussed a variety of matters, including review of road traffic regulations, setting up of vehicle fitness stations, financing e-buses and streamlining the issuance of driving licenses. The transport ministers from 15 states and union territories participated in the meeting.
So that's the story. I hope you liked this video. Do watch my other videos as well. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.